Hello students, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In this class, I am going to discuss random variables, JEE Mains September 2020 questions. Now see the first question, what they are given. The probability of a man hitting the target is 1 by 10. The least number of shots required so that the probability of his hitting the target at least once is greater than 1 by 4. Here, probability of hitting the target, that value should be 1 by 10. That means P is equal to 1 by 10. Then what is Q, students? 1 minus 1 by 10. So that is 9 by 10. Here, number of trails, n value not given. We need to find, that is the least number. But here they are given condition. The probability of hitting the target at least once, that meaning is x greater than or equal to is greater than 1 by 4 given. P of x greater than or equal to 1 means we can write 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 greater than 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is greater than P of x is equal to 0 means NC 0 into 9 by 10 whole power n 1 by 10 whole power 0. 1 minus 1 by 4 means 3 by 4 is greater than 9 by 10 whole power n. Now here take the cross multiplication, we get 3 into 10 power n is greater than 4 into 9 power n, 4 into 9 power n. Now verify that if take n is equal to 2, then what happens? See, 10 square 100, 100 into 3, 300 is greater than 4 into 9 square means 81. 4 into 81, how much students? 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. So this is 9 power n, okay. 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. 300 is greater than 324. In this case, the condition is failed. Take n is equal to 3, then what happens? See, 10 power 3, that is 1000. 1000 into 3, 3000 is greater than 4 into 9 cube. So that means 4 into 9 cube. How much we get? 9 square means 81. 4 nines are 36. So 36 into 81. How much? So this value 2916. So 3000 it is greater than 2916. Okay. So here n values exist 3, 4, 5 and so on. Out of this they are asking least number. What is least value of n? Least value of n, that is equal to 3. 3 is the answer. This is numerical value type questions. So answer we can write 3.00. Students, all of you understood now? Till now who are not subscribed, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. So I am going to next problem. 4 fair dice are rolled. 4 fair dice are rolled. That means n value 4 thrown independently 27 times. Then the expected number of times. Expected number means mean. At least 2 dice shows up a 3 or 5. What is the probability of showing number 3 or 5? So we know that on the die there are 6 sample points. Out of 6, 3, 5, only 2 times. 2 by 6. That value should be 1 by 3. Then what is Q, students? 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. But here, probability of at least two dice they are giving. P of x greater than or equal to 2. That means I am writing 1 minus P of x less than 2. So 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 minus P of x is equal to 1. Now apply the formula. 4C0 2 by 3 whole power 4 minus 0 into 1 by 3 whole power 0 minus P of x is equal to 1. 4C1 into 2 by 3 whole power 4 minus 1, that is 3. 1 by 3 whole power 1. Now here calculate this. 1 minus 4C0 means how much? There is 1. 2 by 3 whole power 4 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 16 by 81 minus 2 cube. 8 8 4s are 32. 32 by 81. Here take the LCM. 81 minus 16 minus 32. How much? Minus 48. So here we get 33 by 81. So that means 11 by 27. But here we need to find expected number of times. That is mu is equal to NP. In this case, N value is 27 and P value is 11 by 27. Substitute here. N 27, P 11 by 27. So 27 cancel. Answer is 11. So expected number of times, that is mean 11. This is also a numerical value type question. What is answer? 11. So that means we can write the answer 11.00. Students, all of you understood now? Now third question. In a workshop, there are 5 machines and the probability of any one of them to be out of service on a day is 1 by 4. If the probability that at most 2 machines will be out of service on the same day is 3 by 4 whole cube into k, then k is equal to. So here observe that how many machines are there? There are 5 machines. And what is the probability? Probability of success P is equal to 1 by 4. So Q 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. At most 2 machines. At most means maximum. P of x greater than or equal to 2. That value should be how much given? 3 by 4 whole cube into k. So here condition observe. At most given, maximum x less than or equal to 2. That means P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2. This value is 3 by 4 whole cube into k. Now P of x is equal to 0 means 5C0 3 by 4 whole power 5 into 1 by 4 whole power 0. P of x is equal to 1 means 5C1 3 by 4 whole power 5 minus 1, that is 4. 1 by 4 whole power 1 plus P of x is equal to 2 means 5C2 3 by 4 whole power 5 minus 2, that is 3, 1 by 4 whole square, that is equal to 3 by 4 whole cube into k. Now see the left hand side, we need to do calculations. 5c0 means 1, 5c1 means 5, 5c2, 5 into 4 by 1 into 2, that is 10. Okay, but see the denominator, each and every term having the 4. That should be 4 power 5. Take outside 1 by 4 power 5 into remaining 3 power 5 plus 5 into 3 power 4 plus 5c2 means that is 10 into 3 cube, that is equal to 3 cube divided by 4 cube into k. Now here observe the calculation denominator part. 4 cube is going to cancel. So 2 more 2 4s are there. 4 square means 16. Then numerator, take that 3 cube common in left hand side, remaining 3 square, that should be 9. Here 3 into 5, 15 plus 10. That is equal to 3 cube into k. Okay, 3 cube cancel. Now, what is the k value here? K is equal to numerator 25 plus 9. How much, students? 25 plus 9. Now here we are getting 34 by 16. Now this is 17 by 8. So we got k value is 17 by 8. So first option correct. Students, are you understood now? Till now, who are not subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Next, fourth question. This is a easy question. A random variable x has the following probability distribution, then p of x greater than 2. So here first we need to find k value. Sum of probability distribution, that should be 1. We know very well. Next, so see that probabilities k square plus 2k plus k plus 2k plus 5k square, that is equal to 1. 6k square plus, so this is totally 5k plus 1, sorry, minus 1. Right hand side 1, send left hand side, that is minus 1. Now split into factors, 6k square plus 6k minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. First two terms, take 6k common, we get k plus 1, minus 1 common, k plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now this is 6k minus 1 into k plus 1. Now k values observe here. One of the value is 1 by 6, another one is minus 1. If k value substitute here, now the probability is going to, one is positive, one is negative. If k is equal to 1 by 6, it can be exist. Minus 1 cannot be exist because substitute in probabilities 1, we get 1, another one minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 5, like that. So probability cannot be negative and more than 1. It is lies between 0 to 1 or that. Next, what they are asking here, p of x greater than 2. X greater than 2. That means p of x is equal to 3 plus p of x is equal to 4 plus p of x is equal to 5. Observe the question. X is equal to 3 means k. This is 2k, 5k square. Sum of those, how much? k plus 2k plus 5k square. So k plus 2k plus 5k square, that is equal to 3k plus 5k square. Already k value we know that there is 1 by 6, substitute here 3 by 6 plus 5 into 1 by 6 whole square, that is 1 by 36. Take LCM 36, 6 3s are 18 plus 5. This is 23 by 36. 36. So answer is 23 by 36. Which option correct, students? Fourth option. This is a very, very easy question. Okay. I think all of you understood now. Thank you.